Oh no, not chilies.
Baby food.
Yo guys, today I'm gonna be joined by my parents, and today we're gonna be doing the eat one color food for 24 hours challenge. Make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time I upload a video. Don't forget to cop the Kayla merch, the shop is underneath the video. Guys, new family channel, the Williamson family, that's us. Make sure you guys go and subscribe, the link will be right up there. We're going to be posting loads of pranks, vlogs and challenges on that channel, so make sure you guys turn on the post notifications. Here we've got the spin the wheel to determine what colour food we eat for the day. By the way guys, pink is red. My mom's going to spin the mystery wheel first.
Okay, hopefully I get a good one. Fingers crossed.
Oh, she got green.
Actually, green's not too bad. I could have got worse. But yeah, I can only think of vegetables, so vegetables it is, I guess, for 24 hours.
Mum's got vegetables. Thankfully, I didn't get that. I would never eat vegetables for 24 hours.
Go on then, you go, your spin.
Right, let me sound on this side. This is the lucky side. Come on, something good.
Red.
Oh, I got red. What can I eat that's red? I don't even know. Strawberries, yeah. That's good.
All right, Dad, your roll.
All right, Dad's a roll. Let's see what I get. Oh, I got yellow.
I wouldn't have minded getting yellow because I like custard, cake.
Pineapple.
Oh, pineapple.
Does bread count? Like if you toast it, is that yellow?
I guess it's kind of golden yellow, I guess.
Why are you letting him off with that? I think to make it a little bit more interesting,
Okay.
what if we have to decide what each other eats? So you can't pick your own red food, I can't pick my own green food, and Dad can't pick his own yellow food. One of us has to pick for each other. Won't be as easy as he thinks. One of us should pick what you eat and you should pick what one of us eats. All right then.
Who don't you want to pick your food?
Mum, just because she said that she doesn't want to be living off Twizzlers and sweets for the rest of the day.
You can't get yourself.
If it's yourself, you've got to put it back in.
Why?
Yeah, if it's yourself, you've got to put it back in.
Oh, I got Mum.
Oh no! He's gonna be evil.
So I got Kayla.
I got Dad. Oh yeah, we had to do it like
We
that.
have to do it like
so
that.
that we don't get each other.
Bruh.
Yeah, one of those moments.
I got Mum. Mum, you got Dad.
I got Dad.
And Dad's got
I got
Me. Caleb.
So guys, we're outside the supermarket and we're about to do some shopping. Okay guys, I've just seen some lettuce. I'm gonna get it for Mum to make her a salad. Guys, look, there's some cucumbers. Guys, I'm gonna get Mum an avocado. The avocado is gonna be green in the inside, so I'm gonna get it for a salad.
I think I'm going to go for pineapples. I'm gonna get him just one banana because the rest look kind of green. Gonna get him that. Oh, and I got sweet corn. I've got no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but I got it anyway.
You think he's gonna eat a tomato? I don't know if he'll eat it, but why not? It's red as well. A lot of red here. Got some grapes, strawberries. Oh yeah. There's enough red in there. There's a lot of red meat here, guys. But I'm not feeling to cook any of this.
I am going to get Dad some sort of soup. So I think, what do you think about this? Carrot and coriander. That's very yellow, isn't it? Oh no, don't want to get him a mocktail. He's going to enjoy that too much. I'm going to get him an orange juice. Smooth one. This is what I've got so far, guys.
Oh, we love to burn his mouth. Let's get a pepperoni stick. Beef jerky. Never had one of these, but he needs some meat for his dinner. Guys, more red meat. Who doesn't like red meat? I think I'm gonna get him this big tray. Looks all red to me. Easy.
Guys, look what I've just found. A green smoothie. What's in this? There is apple, pear, cucumber and matcha. What is that?
Okay guys, I've come up with something really good, something clever, something that Dad's not going to enjoy so much. Can't make this too easy for him. So guess what aisle I'm on? That's right, the baby food aisle. That looks yellow, doesn't it? Should I do that? Or should I not be so cruel? What do you guys think at home? What else they got yellow? Oh, this looks nice. Juicy apple and mango. I think I'll get him this to go with his breakfast. Dad does whine like a baby sometimes, so a bit of baby food will be good for him.
Oh yeah. Red chilies, guys. Yes. Let's get Caleb to eat some red chilies. And he can't have no milk either, because it's not red. There's so much nice red stuff, guys. I feel like I'm shopping for myself right now. Oh, raspberry jelly. I honestly think Caleb's just got it easy. Like, he's gonna love what he's got.
This is the only pasta I could find with at least green in it. And there's so many other colours, so I have to pick out all the other colours and just put the green ones in a bowl, then boil the green ones, and so gonna have to have some green pasta. That's gonna take forever. Guys, I got some of this pesto for Mum's pasta. We're gonna be a little bit kind for Mum's dessert. We got her some mint ice cream. There is 6. She can have as many as she wants. So mint ice cream, it's green, gotta get it.
I finished. I've got some flavours, some bread, cheese, and some pickles. So you can have a cheese and pickle sandwich. And that's going to add to the rest of the stuff that I already got. Let's head home and get a cooking.
Guys, we're by the drink section. Cranberry juice. Oh my days. Add that to my trolley. Summer fruit. There's a lot of red in the summer fruit. Full of strawberries. Oh, look what I just found. Let's keep getting fiery hot stuff. Woo, fiery chili. And it is all red.
Here's my trolley so far. We got some mint ice cream. I got this, these Doritos. I have to half get green and then throw away all the red ones. I could actually eat those. Alright guys, we've got this green apple Lucozade for Mum. That should last her the whole day. Look what I've just found. I found some fruit pastels, but I'm going to have to pick it out, all the green ones again. So I'm going to get these for Mum. Just before we leave, I picked up one more thing, some broccoli to go with Mum's pasta.
I'm ready to pay for all my red stuff. Let's get scanning.
Hold on.
You got to pay for mine as well.
Got to pay for mine as well.
What? That's not fair.
Yeah. I've got everything, guys. Now it's time to head home.
This is Dad's first meal. So I've got banana over here, pineapple slices, and juicy apple and mango baby food. This is his breakfast. Let's see if he enjoys.
I've got my yellow t-shirt. I'm ready for my yellow breakfast. What's this? Mum's hiding it from me. What is this? 4 to 6 months onwards. Bruh, baby food. Doesn't look too bad, you know, but it is baby food.
And I got you juice. Oh.
I don't think I will finish it all. I'm not a great fan of bananas, but actually,
How is it?
this is a good breakfast. Should I? I'll leave the baby food till last. Have some pineapples. Pineapples are awesome. I think I might just have the best breakfast as it is, but
Go crazy.
Baby food.
try the baby food.
Which one better tastes nice? See?
I am a fan
Baby food desserts
of
are always the
baby
best.
food.
Baby food desserts are always the best.
Oh! What is it? Mango as well?
Yeah.
Mango and apple.
I've done a good job.
So, that's excellent. I'll give it a solid 8.
Yay!
So guys, Caleb is up next. We've got some mixed berries, some beef jerky, and some pomegranates. Not sure if he's gonna eat these, but let's test him out. That's a pretty decent breakfast. I look like a gourmet chef. Here's your breakfast. I said this one wrong. I think it's called pomegranates.
What did you say? What did you say?
Popper.
Pomegranates.
What do you think?
I
I think that plate just looks awesome, innit? Look at my
think the presentation is good. The presentation's good, but will it taste good?
Oh, he's gone straight for the beef.
Oh, it tastes like pepperoni, but a lot sweeter.
Sweet, ew.
Mix it up, beef jerky with some grapes, you know, eat it all at once to get all the flavours.
Did you get him a drink to wash it down with?
I did. Let me bring you your drink. Here's your cranberry juice. The driest juice on the planet.
Oh, it is as well.
Have you never had cranberry juice before?
I don't know.
This is a good breakfast to some people, you know. Like, this is a really good breakfast. And you're not even trying my pomegranates.
They're pomegranates.
Come on, eat some of this pomegranates. Pomegranates. Grampits. They're good for your soul.
Crumpets.
Come on, Kaden.
I'm good, I don't want
Your
that.
dad
Come on, Kaden. Eat some pomegranates.
Alright, I'm gonna eat it. For Mum's first meal, I made her a salad with some cucumber and avocado and this green innocent wonder green juice.
Healthy. The healthy lifestyle.
I must say it's the first time I've ever had a salad for breakfast. I do like avocado. I have it usually with eggs in the morning though, not with a full salad. What's this?
Some green juice.
It's got cucumber in the juice as well.
Stinks.
It smells good. What are you talking about? It smells good.
What does it smell like?
Grass.
It really smells like grass, dude.
It's tasty.
Okay, the first sip is nice and then it tastes horrible. Did you not cut the lid?
Bruh.
I'm literally like a rabbit today.
What?
Couldn't season the thing with some peppers.
Did you wash it?
Yeah?
It tastes very earthy. Avocado, which I don't mind.
Try with the cucumber.
But the thing is, yeah, avocado is only nice when it's ripe. This don't look ripe.
Is it hard?
It's hard.
Hard avocado. How you give your mum hard avocado, dude?
I don't know.
Quick, wash it down with a cucumber.
She's like, just cucumber.
And some cucumber juice.
Leave me to enjoy my salad. Okay, bye.
Guys, it's 2 o'clock and we're ready for lunch. First up is Dad.
A nice cheddar cheese sandwich, but I put this in there. Piccalilli. I've never had it before. It actually stinks.
It looks disgusting.
And then I got Zai's favourites, some flavours inside.
Oh. Bruh, what's that? What kind of sauce is that? Oh my days, it smells strong as well. Woo!
If you don't eat this, you can't eat again until dinner, so you need to eat.
Whoa.
He's like, whoa.
Do you know
Whoa.
what? Honestly, I was thinking I was going to go the easy route and I was going to give you like pasta or chips or something like that. But then I was just like, My husband's been eating too much pasta and chips recently, so let me
I was
get
hoping for like chips at least for dinner. Chips for dinner. Even these are cheesy. Like the whole plate just smells a bit like. Whoa.
cheese and pickle.
Yeah, it's like it's too much concoctions.
Cheese and pickle plate.
I want one so bad.
I'm gonna have to just like survive off Chris. What is that? Oh my days! Oh!
Are you not gonna bite it? Try it at least. That's all you're doing is tearing the sandwiches up. You're not actually eating it.
Would you eat that?
He's gonna have boogers fly out his nose on the sandwich with all these breathing exercises. How's it taste?
It's a struggle. I've never seen something like that in a sandwich ever. My belly's vibrating. I was looking for something. I was looking forward to something, and this is just okay. I'm just gonna eat this last bit, and then it's the crisp. Looks like it's just crisp for me, mate.
Got your juice.
Oh yeah, there you go, some juice.
I had orange juice earlier.
He had the same orange juice earlier. Go on, crunch it as loud as you can.
I'm still hungry. That sandwich is horrible. What a waste. You have to give it to the pigeons. They might even refuse it.
Exactly.
Okay, Caleb's up for lunch. I've got him some salami, tomatoes, and a raspberry jelly thing. Dessert thing. Caleb, welcome to your healthy, balanced diet. Your father loves you. Look at that.
You said healthy.
Very healthy.
It's not that healthy.
That's super healthy. Yeah, we know that you're gonna eat that, so come on, mix it up. Why don't you put the tomato into it and like wrap it up and eat it together.
Okay.
That's a nice drink as well. That's like summer fruits, dude.
Nice.
But dude, come on, man. You have to eat some tomatoes.
Why are they always dry?
A red dry
I
juice.
want to try this actually. It might be nice.
Come on, it's
Whoa.
jelly. It's jelly.
Wait. What is that?
I think you gotta break past that bit.
Don't.
It's jelly, man.
Yeah, it's
Come on,
nice.
man. You eat jelly in primary school.
There's no actual taste to it.
What's wrong with tomatoes? Why don't you finish my plate?
You didn't finish Mum's either.
What are you gonna finish on that plate?
Well, the salami, I finished. Alright, hold on. Alright, it's on the plate now. I'll finish the drink. I might even eat half of this.
And one tomato.
And the drink. Alright guys, for Mum's lunch, I've got her some green Doritos, some green fruit pastilles, and her some green Lucozade apple flavour. I know it's not really that much for lunch, but I know for dinner, she's gonna have to eat the whole of it.
Ew.
Green chips, some green sweets, and your green Lucozade. All for you.
Does crisp look good off?
Kinda.
Good of green Doritos.
What is on that? Why are they green?
Guacamole.
This is all I've got for lunch.
Yeah.
I had a rabbit's breakfast and now I've got this unhealthy snack for lunch.
Well, like, in the packet, innit, there wasn't enough green crisp, that's why.
My God. Thanks, Caleb. Thank you. I shall enjoy, I'm sure. Okay, that's nice. At least it's not like that grass drink I had this morning.
Trust me, you're gonna like it. You're not gonna like it.
Let's try one of these green gone off crisp.
Innit?
Oh my God.
What is it?
What is that?
Guacamole.
It's not guacamole, guys.
Is it
You know
guacamole, kid?
I bought those crisps before, yeah, for
He
myself.
bought them for himself.
But like, the thing is, I've only had the red ones.
Oh, so you left these ones?
Yeah, I never actually tried those ones.
It's really salty for starters.
Salty.
And
There's sugar in there too. Saucy, delicious, scrumptious.
Mum's gone from
Crunch.
dry salad.
This is the most
To a
saltiest
salty
crisp I've had in my life. I don't know what this is. It's not nice, guys.
What about the sweets?
I'm saving those for last.
This is why Kaylin does not cook at home. Because this is what we'll get.
Yeah, yo, mate. Yeah.
Crisps and sweets.
Okay, guys, so for Dad's dinner, I gave him carrot and coriander soup with some sweet corn and butter. And then his favourite, I'm gonna give him some more orange juice.
Yeah, some more orange juice.
Here's your dinner. You got soup.
Fruit.
And corn on the side. The corn don't really go
And
with the soup.
your favourite orange juice.
He's gonna end up with cystitis by the
Yeah,
time
it's
he
too
finishes
much.
all of this orange juice.
Alright, I got yellow soup, yellow sweet corn, and yellow juice.
Orange juice again.
It's yellow though. So,
Yellow juice.
let's see how this goes down. Hopefully it goes down a treat. Okay.
Wait, what?
Oh, Mum put butter on it as well. I think I'm good for dinner. Okay guys, so Caleb's last meal of the day. I have got him some, basically this is just a spicy plate. He's got spicy beans, hot chili, and pepperoni. I'm hoping that he actually tries it this time. That would be awesome. Caleb, I have another gourmet meal for you. You must be seriously hungry now. This is like the best plate of the day. You have nice red spicy beans, an awesome red chili, and to wash the chili down you have some like berry sauce thingamajiggy, and you also have spicy pepperoni. And I know you like that, but you can't just eat meat all day. That's not a balanced diet. Let's see how you get on with this plate.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do, yeah? I'm gonna get this pepperoni.
I don't think you eat pepperoni like that.
Spicy beans.
Spicy beans and spicy pepperoni. Go for it, son. You got this, Caleb. Is it spicy?
Oh, what the? Ooh!
Is it the pepperoni or the beans that's spicy?
I don't even know.
Try the beans by itself. Try the beans by itself. Go, 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 go.
His eyes are watering.
I think it's the pepperoni. You know what? Yeah, I actually really want to try this. Don't know why.
Come on, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna do it. And the
Seize
pepperoni.
it in your mouth. Go, 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 go. And some beans. Quick. If you do this, yeah, I'll give you my title.
Easy.
Oh.
Now chew it.
Chew,
Chew
chew.
Because he's steam coming out of his ears.
Go on, just chew,
The
finish
first
it,
bite of-
swallow, and then your drink is right here, dude.
I need a drink, sorry.
Wash it down.
That was not good.
It was like challenge accepted.
I can still feel the spice.
Finished?
Yeah, I'm done. Alright guys, for the final meal of the day, Mum's got some pasta and some broccoli, green pasta and green broccoli, and she's also got some Lucozade, since how she liked it the last time.
Green pasta. Does not look appetizing. But, you know what? But it's healthy, Mum.
Okay. I can do this.
Why don't you get some more pesto?
Gourmet chef, Caleb.
Yeah, I know, but it's sick.
Gourmet chef.
But this is probably the best meal I've ever made.
That's actually really nice.
Put some more pesto on your fork in it.
Let me try the pasta.
You didn't make the pesto.
Let's see.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's getting back in the plate.
I didn't pay it out.
Chew, 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 drink for drink. Chew, chew.
That's making it worse. I'm actually gonna be really hungry today because I can't eat any more of this.
Oh, what?
Oh, Mum's given up. I think I've eaten the most then.
I'll eat the rest of the broccoli. And
Yeah, I think Dad's eating the most still.
Thanks very much for everything that you've made for me today, Caleb.
I know, it's been lovely,
I'm
hasn't
so grateful.
Yeah, your tummy.
That I'm gonna lose a whole 10 pounds overnight because I haven't eaten for 24 hours.
If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time I upload a video. Go and cop the Caleb merch. The shop is underneath the video. Go subscribe to the Williamson family channel. The link will be right up there. Go subscribe to my little brother's channel. Link will be right up there. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Big baller, YouTuber, 500,000 subs, 100 million viewers. Stop flexing, of course I'm flexing. Big chain on my neck says Caleb, and now she's texting. Big baller.